Hey guys, so today I wanted to go over some dog treats I make. I'm going to be making some more dog treat videos, so stick around. But what I have here is some chicken and a dehydrator. Now don't worry if you don't have a dehydrator, you don't need one, but it is recommended. This thing was only 30 bucks when I got it about 10 years ago, and it still works perfect. Has made tons of stuff for me. But you can use a standard oven, so don't dismiss this recipe. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use a standard oven set to about 175 degrees, and that'll do the same thing. So dog treats in the store can be crazy expensive. You also really don't know what's in them. Here we're going to be making some simple chicken jerky for dog treats. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cut up. We want them cut up into kind of strips, not too thick. The thinner kind of the better, but I like them to be have a little bit of thickness to them. And then we'll go ahead and show you the next step. Really quick before I go on, look how much chicken this is. It's a lot. And this chicken was just $8.70. And this is tons. If you were to buy dog treats of chicken in the store, you could spend like $8 on a tiny bag that's probably less than one of these pieces really. So you get a lot better deal if you make it at home. As you can see now, I've cut these up into pretty big strips. And I like to kind of have a nice big meaty treat for my dogs, but you can make these as thin as you want. And actually, the thinner and smaller you make them, the quicker they will cook. But all you're going to do is lay these out in a pan if you're putting them in the oven. If you're using a dehydrator, we'll show you again the next step. Here we have the chicken laid out in the 4 racks that my dehydrator has. And now all we're going to do is put this on, turn on my dehydrator, and just let it sit. Again, these are pretty thick pieces. They'll probably take like 8 to 10 hours. Thinner pieces you can do quicker. But literally that took me like 30 seconds to set up. And in 10 hours, we'll have some treats. Let's go ahead and see how they turn out. I've had the machine running for about 8 hours now. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our final product. As you can see, we have the multiple racks here. And even our big pieces here are getting pretty hard. I could probably cook these a tiny bit more if I want. And you can make them really as hard or soft as you want. Now you want to get them fully dehydrated. So bigger pieces like this could take 10 to 15 hours even. But what I'm going to do, since it's nighttime and I want to go to bed now, is I'm going to call these done now. And instead of leaving them out, even if I make really thin ones that are really skinny and fully dry, I like to just take them, throw them into a bag, and then throw them into the freezer. And then they'll last pretty much forever. And I'm going to end up feeding them within a few weeks anyways. If you do get them fully dry, people say that they're shelf stable just in the cabinet for I think up to a month. But you might as well just throw them in the refrigerator or freezer, and then you'll make sure they're safe to eat until they're all gone within a couple weeks, however quickly you feed them. Super simple treats here. We'll go ahead and feed one to my dog so you guys can see how they like it. And then we'll get some more recipes out for you soon. Happy pet keeping. We'll see y'all later. All right, guys, you want to try your chicken? Sit, Jack. Sit. You're just too excited. That's fine. You're holding still. Okay. Okay, Jack. That's yours. Yeah. Okay. I think they like it. My dog Jack on the right always eats fast. Prince had a littler piece, but they liked it.